Morning, morning, morning. Sorry I'm late. We're still trying to figure out why my kick channel is not starting straight off the bat, Still not sure why it's doing it. Still not sure. But morning everybody, morena morena. Hello man, I'm 26 years old who has recently stopped working with security intervention because it wasn't fulfilling. A little lost as where to go next. Or what do you enjoy? That's the beauty of it, eh? Finding the next thing that will feel fulfilling for you. And Smith and inspiring seeing people like you. Oh nice boy! So you like creating things, but by the looks of it, I think I'm getting sick. Oh, fuck. Ugh. I need to go to the gym and sweat it out. Need to go and sweat it out, lads. Okay, here's our carving. Here's our carving. Joe Razor, I saw you too. Sorry, I don't know why it's not going live straight away, my bro. I was trying to get my link to my channel, but I can't remember my 2FA thing. Because it's been that long. And I don't know how to recover it. Mans don't know how to recover it. Alrighty. Yeah, it does, my bro, it does. Mind you, I'm still fairly new to kick too, so I don't really slam it too much. Kick stream because of the kick. Oh yeah, the kick stream finally went live. There we go. Thank you, my bro. Appreciate that. It finally went live, my bro. Kwa ka mai, my bro. Cheer Razor. Alright, so the plan today, so we're still cleaning, we're still in the cleaning phase pretty much for this. Yo, Jitty, Chirbo. Long time no see, my bro. All is well here, my brother, all is well. Just pretty much, you know, still going, my bro, still going with the flow. Getting more work done. And more work. And more work. But this is what we're up to at the moment, my bro. This hate tiki. So we're... Oh! Thank you very much to New Rafts for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. Our first Submarino of the day. I appreciate you, my brother. Thank you very much. Just having breakfast. We ran out of eggs, so I'm just gonna have an apple. Bro, it's still cold, eh? I think that's why I'm getting sick too. Hey, Raf, shit, my bro. That's why I can feel it as well. I can feel myself getting sick. What kind of apple is it? I don't know, a crunchy one? Yeah, and a small one? Yeah, Chris, I'm a bit of a crispy apple person too. I don't like any other ones, pretty much. only going to get colder here, my bro. And yeah, my body is feeling it today, bro. I contemplated not even streaming today because I felt cold, but I looked at my board, you know, with my non-negotiables, and it said stream today, so here I am outside. And we got a shit ton of washing to go and dry today. Flowery apples can kick rocks, 100%, bro. I hate flowery apples, eh? Yuck. Hey, yuck, eh? Oh, you just got off your shift, my bro. Oh, timing, brother, timing. Oh, see, just say then we'll get into it. Alright. I would need one of these to get warm. That's how cold it is for me. I gotta have a bloody coffee. Have you played Baldur's Gate? Yeah, my bro. My reasoning for playing BG3. Karlak. Karlak, my bro. You need, yeah, those umbrella looking heaters, eh? But that'll actually be quite nice. Even now, they make me feel good. There are a lot of interesting professions out there that I'm sure I will find something more fulfilling. Yeah, bro, yeah. That's the thing about it, brother. It's within those kind of moments, my bro, it's kind of like, you know, the next chapter for yourself, eh? That's what it is. What's your inspo for this one? So the hey tiki is a shape that we you know, commonly use for our hey tiki pendants, pretty much. Yo, Ethan2J, thank you for the 3 months as an Optimus Prime. Appreciate you, my brother. Appreciate you. Thank you very much, kind sir. And the guy who commissioned it wanted a hey tiki as well after seeing the other one we were doing from Portugal. Oh, kia ora, bro. That's it there. So this is the other one we did last year. He goes, may I have one? And I went, yeah, all good. And then he redeemed 1,000,000 channel points, and he's getting a double-sided one. So this is actually, yeah, so we're doing the same thing on both sides, but we're trying to make it slightly different. And we kind of have, the way we've made it different. So this hand here comes onto the leg, this one folds behind the body. So it's kind of like different poses on each side. Mailman's out. You need like, yeah bro, an outdoor heater would be actually quite nice, eh? We're starting to feel, you know, winter's bite on the old power bill now. Might even look for a different power company to go with, eh? Home sweet home, no matter what. Hey, check my bro. Yes, my World of Warcraft bug they sent me. Think about night carving streams, a gas heater or something. Yeah, yeah. Geez, I can't even remember the power company. My wife's kind of looking into it now. We're just trying to find one that'll be, you know, good for us. So yeah, just some real, you know, normie things for us as well, guys. We just, yeah. So basically all we're going to be doing today, to those that are wondering, is pretty much just cleaning. That's all we're doing on this piece at this point. Because we've finished, you know, this side. We've finished that side there. So that's all said and done. All that. So now we just got to do this side. This side here. So that's what we're currently doing right now, is cleaning this. So it's going to be a slow and easy kind of day. Normally that's how it is with push cleaning streams. The last follower, electricity was great. Get an hour free power peak time each day. You can choose each day when you... Oh, true, bro. Oh, that's pretty solid. Thank you very much to Silk Aeon. Oh, is it Slick Aeon? For the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, kind sir. I might actually go and get a second jersey, eh? Hang on, chat. I'm just going to give me a second jersey. Probably. it's cold. Yeah, should be good now. So I had to go and put the hoodie on. Shit. Yo, there he is. Yo, I found this guy on YouTube. All the wood carving looks great. Thank you very much, kind sir. Sorry it took long. I just had to go and put a bit of a... I'm wearing 2 hoodies. That's how cold it is. Extremely heavy mugs that weigh 10 to 15. No, it's pretty light. I'm not Brian Shaw, I'll put it that way. Cheer Ed, cheer my bro. Yeah, I'm no Brian Shaw, my bro. So, Cillian? How are we, my friend? How are we? Yeah, I had to go and put a second hoodie on. How are we, my bro? Bro, I'm freezing my ass off today, brother. Thank you very much, Dot, for the car pies. Bro still does his thing? Yeah, brother, always. I will not stop carving till I'm old as shit. Till I'm old as, my bro. Well, I don't really plan on stopping anytime soon anyway. You know, if I can be honest, I know, you know, streaming will not last forever, but I'll do my best to go live as much as I can, pretty much. As much as I can. But yeah, good morning TikTok, good morning, good morning, good morning, good to see everybody. I just had to recalibrate because I am very cold. So I got 2 hoodies on. What's your favourite animal? Kind of depends because I like many. It all stems from watching Sir David Attenborough through my childhood. You know, I like lions, bears, red panda, pretty much. I'm just heading back home from the card store. Oi, bit of an early morning pickup, eh? What did you get today, my bro? Some OP16? That's the latest set for One Piece, right? 16? Marineford? Thank you very much, Casimo. Thank you. What's your favorite? What's your opinion on Zelda Ocarina of Time? It's about damn time. It's about damn time we finally got what we've been waiting for. And we are about to eat well. I'm excited to play it because I plan on marathoning that myself. David Attenborough's voice is so calming. Yes, it is, good sir. Yes, it is. Yeah, every Sunday, one of his shows would be on, and I'd ask my my grandparents if we could watch it. Some fond memories of you know, watching Sir David for such a long time. The original content creator, IRL content creator. That's what I would say, yeah. The OG IRL streamer. Yeah, bro, red pandas. That was actually something, like, when I wanted to be a zookeeper, red pandas was actually one of the animals that I, you know, would have liked to have looked after if I was, you know, to get into that kind of life. That was one of them, my bros. Did the experience at Auckland Zoo. I haven't been. I really want to go to Auckland Zoo as well. I haven't been there. But I did go to Hamilton Zoo and they were there. I'll be honest, I'd probably enjoy Auckland Zoo way more than my kids, eh? Straight up. Jared Tama for the raid. What are you working on? It looks amazing. So we're working on something called a heitiki. Now he'itikis are not normally this size, okay? They're not normally this size. They're normally much smaller, and on a pendant size even. So this one, yes, is much larger in scale. I was waiting for that. And it's so the timber we're working with today as well is pine. Thank you, brother Jacob. Thank you, brother. So this is what we're working with today. So we're doing something similar to this. That one there. Thank you, the chud. How do you handle feeling low? So without, you know, if my kids weren't here, the way I kind of do it, bro, is sometimes I'll have a bit of a disconnect day. Sometimes I'll just, you know, just turn all the socials off or not even grab my phone, and I don't know if you know, everyone's different, but for me, bro, when I'm feeling low and I'm on my own, I just enjoy my own presence. Yeah. Sometimes I enjoy just, you know, sitting in silence, because, you know, I don't get much of that these days. And I'm not complaining that I don't. Thank you very much, Chud and Jacob. So it's kind of, yeah, just doing my own thing, or going to the gym pretty much, or just go for a walk. Yeah. Being outside pretty much. Being outside. Please say hi to Brandon. Hi to Brandon. How's the Pokemon thing going? Hold up. The Pokemon thing is going good. So we haven't, you know, bought cards together. Just yet. I'll be honest. I didn't really want to get Perfect Order. Eh? I didn't realize how bad Perfect Order was, man. But yeah, when we, you know, come across a card store, maybe I'll get some packs for us. But I got two of my chase cards that I was looking for. From it's from Mega Evolutions. It's the Bulbasaur and Ivysaur. I found those two, and I copped those from the bros over in Aussie. So yeah, got two of my first chase cards. Have we finished ZA? No, we're still going. I just haven't had the chance to game yet, or to play ZA. Maybe if we have time tonight, we can jump into ZA. How does that sound? Where are we at now? Oh, we just got one of the Kanto starters in ZA. Another guy who wanted to return the gift. Hello, how are you doing? Thank you very much, Sin NLK as well. Kia ora, bro. If you could go to any city in the world, where would you go? Any city. Ooh. City, ooh. I don't know if I'd want to go to any of the cities, eh? Too crowded. Thank you, Kaylee. Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to go to any city in the world. What are you making? We're carving a heitiki made out of pine. Yeah, that's a good question. I genuinely don't think I'd want to go to any city, eh? Like, at all. Cannot smile when you're live. Whatever reason, you just bring positive vibes. Oh, that's good, Brother Lewis. Still shiny hunting in Fire Red? Yeah, I didn't play any last night, but I'm still only on like 85 resets. So yeah, I'm getting to the point where like, fuck, I just want to play Fire Red, bro. But I'll keep staying in it. Keep staying in it. Thank you very much for the gifties, Swinny and heart emojis. Kia ora. What's the best cheap carving wood for practice? One that you don't have to pay for, or pine? Yeah. Hey, what up, beer bender? How are you, my friend? How are you, good sir? It is a double hoodie kind of day, my bro. I'm wearing 2 hoodies today because I am cold and I think I'm getting sick. I came pretty close to not streaming today, but I thought, you know, I saw my non-negotiables on the wall and I have to stream. Thank you, Extra Lash, for the swan. Kia ora. Were you born goated or did you grow into it? I don't know. I didn't even think I'm goated. I think I'm just cold. I don't know how to reply to comments like that, because I don't see myself as a goated person. Just a person. I just started shiny hunting Fire Red too, but already bored. I just want to play. Yeah, bro, that's how it's gotten for me too. That's why I'm like, far, do I even want a shiny hunter starter? I kind of just want to play the game. Stay warm, yeah, have to. Be a bender, have to, my bro. I still remember your vote. Take your donation back video. Hey, what's up, King? Cheer, my bro. Chris and Ethan, thank you for the roses. So to those wondering, you know, am I gonna say you don't have to? So I'm gonna explain myself. I am more open to subs these days. And before we carry on and tell you the reasons, and if you don't like that, that is totally fine. Yo, Will Dog! Big Will coming in with the galaxy. Thank you very much, my bro. Thank you very, very much, brother. Absolute bloody weapon. And Ethan and heart emojis as well. And Demi and Bob Jeff. Thank you very much for the aloha, guys. So I just want to explain myself before we carry on. So if you have seen that clip and you're seeing me now being open to it, it's more so, you know, a conversation I had with my grandmother where she wanted me to be more open because, you know, in her words she said, this blessing doesn't come to people that often in life, and you're a dad now, and I want you to try and be more open to these thingies everyone's giving you. And at first I tried to tell my nan, no, it's fine, it's fine. And she whacked me over the head with her crutch and pretty much said, I know how you are because me and your koro raised you as well, and your mum. And yeah, initially I tried to push back at my grandmother's words, but keep in mind she was the only one that could convince me to change my mind. And, well, I promised my nan I'd try and do my best. And I was getting ready to go and visit her the next day and she had been admitted to hospital. And I remember this very clearly. The doctors were saying, yeah, your grandmother was in a jolly mood, ate her breakfast, and a minute later I got there and she had passed away. But she, without telling me and my mum, she had signed a form where she didn't want to be resuscitated. Yeah, she didn't want to be resuscitated, and I didn't cry when I lost my nan. You know, I felt like a big weight had been taken off my shoulders, because through the 2 years up to that point, this was while I was streaming too, and I didn't want to tell anyone in the streams that her health was going up and down, and she arrested like twice. And yeah, when I saw her, she had passed. My wife was with me when we walked into the room too. I saw my mum there, and then there was a doctor in there, you know, doing a karakia or a prayer. And I looked straight at my nan, and pretty much all I said was, "Fuck, you're gone." But at the same time, you know, when I walked in the room, because, you know, it had been heavy on my heart for the last 2 years, and I was preparing myself for the potential that, you know, I think I'm gonna lose my nan soon. The one of the many people that I dearly love in my whole life might go her own way soon. And pretty much, yeah, when I walked in, I just hugged my mum, and I just sat by my nan's side, and I told my mum, you know, go and have a break, and have some time to yourself. And my wife was just ringing around too. And when my nan got moved into the morgue, I sat there for the whole time until she was ready to go. Thank you, Zay and James. Ngā mihi kia kōrua. Yeah, I had a real close relationship with my grandparents. Yeah, like real close. That's why they're on my arm. I'm not going to show you because it's cold. What do you think of non-polys having poly tits? I think it's more so if you know what's being applied to your skin, and you learn about the culture and the tatau or moko, whatever it may be, then that's fine in my opinion. There will be those that will question it though. So yeah, I sat with her that whole time, and pretty much, like I always mention, my first big purchase as Brox was paying for my grandmother's funeral. Yeah, like that, the coffin to the undertaker stuff, and then the marae as well. So that was the one thing that I paid for. And then my next big thing I paid for as Brox was a fridge. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm more open to gifts these days. If people don't like that, that's fine. You know, I don't mind if that's how you feel coming from that clip and seeing me how I am now. Yeah, that's totally fine to me. But just know that this is probably how I'm gonna be for the rest of my streaming life. True. Thank you, Zay, and is that Arian as well, and Sean. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, so I hope that gives you a bit of insight as to the way I am now. I'm always gonna, you know, when people ask that question, I always stop and tell you guys, because you know, it's the right thing to do. Also, I have a question. If you are a Gears of War fan, I need to dive into the confines of your brain and ask you about it. Because someone from Rotorua, the very city I live in, is voicing Ty. And he's a pretty big dude too. He's a pretty big dude. Sending other loves, brother. You're a great guy and you deserve all. Good luck on your way. Appreciate you, brothers, eh? Cheer, my bro. Yeah, so Matawarangi is actually from here. The arm wrestler. He's an arm wrestler in our country as well. And yeah, he lives here in Rotorua. So he's voice acting Ty and E-Day. Is that it? Gears of War E-Day. Thank you very much, Unknown, for the roses. Does anyone else jam the Gears of War? I never got to play Gears of War when I was young because, you know, we didn't have funds for that. So, Cherry brother back. Oh, is that? Oh, Beck. Sorry, my bro. Back. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, so I've never played Gears of War, so I'm pretty keen to get into it. I'm pretty keen to get into it. Play Gears of War 3 the most. Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you, brother Zay. So, what's what's Ty about? So is he like a bit of a hard dude? Because he looks pretty badass in ED. And it seems like Ty is quite a fan favorite as well. Yeah. Is he a fan favorite? Where are you from? Rotorua. Thank you, brother Nate, for the car pies. Yes, like from what I've seen, he's a fan favorite. Watching from Rhode Island. Hey, all the way from fucking Rhode Island. Rhode Island. Sorry, I've got to work on my Rhode Island accent. I only know of Rhode Island from, what's his name? He was on Jersey Shore. That guy. Yeah, I'll work on that. I'll work on that. Ty is credited as the soldier who originally realized the power sliced through thick locust hides, leading into the invention of the iconic Lancer chainsaw. True, so he came up with that. Yo, Boothy, thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. He looks pretty gangster too. All tatted up and everything. But yeah, the new voice actor for Ty is, he's from here. I messaged him and I was like, bro, that's an inspiration to see, you know, one of our people crack a big title like that. Like such a, you know, renowned game like Gears of War. Hey, what up, Boos? Pull from Fiji, kia ora, my bro. Yeah, it's winter here right now. I've got 2 hoodies on. Pulled from Google. Origins hailing from Irohima Island. Ty was raised in a warrior culture. Okay, he already sounds cool. He enlisted for the coalition and the government during the Pendulum Wars after this village was destroyed by independent republics. Is Gears of War lore like a rabbit hole? How deep does it go? Without spoilers? Okay. I'm just here learning the woodcarve. Got any tips? Take your time, you know? Yo, Robert, thank you very much. Yeah, take your time, my bro. It's not a race, it's a journey, yeah. And the one thing you gotta not be afraid of, brother, is making mistakes. It's always good to make them, eh? I would say not just in Whakairo, but in life. Because, you know, it teaches you for what not to do next time. Yeah, don't be afraid to make mistakes, my bro. Because those are the things that teach us the best. Oh, we missed the galaxy. I'm sorry. Thank you very much, Damp Harry, for the galaxy, my bro. I do apologise for missing that, kind sir. I do apologise. Thank you. More people in your lives than... You have more people in your lives. Half of us. Yeah, I saw the galaxy. I usually, when people say galaxy, I'll scroll back so I know who sent it and say thank you. Sure. God, I love this guy. Appreciate you, brother Loco. Or Loco. Sorry, brother. Thought I'd say it properly. Yeah, so all I'm doing is cleaning up this carving. That's pretty much all it's going to be today. Cleaning. Also, I have sorted out Skyrim Kaizel. So we will be doing Skyrim RP at some point. Brother, what's the best word for Taiaha? Maori, Rata, Puriri. Those are three that are good. So I've got some, I do have Mighty, but it's not long enough to do a taiaha. Yeah, I don't have enough. Yeah, I can feel myself getting sick. This is what I need to do after stream. Go to the gym, jump on the Stairmaster for an hour, and just try and sweat it all out. Is Tawa good? Yeah, Tawa's good. Manuka? I haven't done a Manuka one in a long time. Cheers, brother Dan, appreciate yours. Where you from, brother? Where you from? Hello from Lithuania. Kia ora, my brother. Who's from Lithuania then? Is that where Big Z is from? The strong man? Thank you. Fufu. Fufu. Hey. They'll be doing the fufu while you watching the stream, huh? Do you do carvings with laminated timber? Yeah, I have done carvings with laminated timber before. You'll not be doing the fufu while you watch the live, huh? Malumets. Don't be doing the fufu while you're watching the live, Solly. Colour 5. I have Samoan friends, you know. Morena, brother. Morena, how are you? Brother Chris and Brother Dan V. Thank you very much, my bro. You give me Big Z vibes from Surf's Up. You're not the only one that said that too. I do have some Big Z moments where I might get lost in the sauce and just start carving and not talking. So I usually tell you if that's happening. Hello from Trinidad and Tobago. Kia ora. Kia ora. So just a little insight to those that are wondering what I just said. Kia ora means hello in my language. So hello and thank you, depending on the situation. How big of a deal is the FIFA World Cup down here? I mean, there are some die-hard, you know, football fans here. But then again, you know, people in the country will just support the team just cause they're there. Me personally, I probably won't, because I don't watch football. I'm just waiting for the NFL season to start, to be honest. Go Birds, baby. Go Birds. I'm a fan of the Birds because of Jordan Mailata, if I must say. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Sorry, guys. Snotty nose. Well, what is that you're working with? So we're working with something pretty basic today, and it is pine, my brother. Not, you know, not my first choice, but it's the choice I had at the time, and it's the one I used. By the river. Thank you very much to Goo for the 20 roses. Thank you, brother. Impressive you can get the curve and stuff with a straight chisel. Yeah, it just depends on the angle, my bro. If it's too sharp, then it's not gonna work. So I'm kind of just like sliding the blade across just to stay with the grain. The hard part will be in here. How good are you at 21st keys? I haven't done 21st keys in a long time. Yeah, I kind of stopped doing them a while ago. Thank you very much, Brother Dan and Brother John. Cheers, my bros. Kia pai tōra, me koe hoki. Kia pai tōra. Thank you once again, Brother Goo. The Goo. So all I'm really trying to do is just get rid of the rip marks that we may have gotten in between the legs here. There we go. Ooh, against the grain. Yeah, so just cleaning up in the sections where the grain may have torn when we went across it. Thank you, TJ. What are you making? We are carving a hay tiki. Still at it. Thank you, Aman. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, still, you know, grateful and to continue to do, you know, streaming full time, pretty much. That'll always be something that I'll be grateful for, you know. Till the day, you know, people lose interest and people move on, that is totally fine as well. Never take it for granted, pretty much. Yo man, what's up? I normally don't pop in, but I'm glad to see you pop up. What's up, brother? Cheers, my bro. How are you? Thank you very much, brother Zach, for the roses. Oh, okay. We need to change our chisel. Oh my goodness, you're the guy that went viral for the donations. Hey, Iron, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Go. Yeah, so it's just pretty much just a straight cleaning kind of day, pretty much, Fano. I know it's nothing too, you know, exciting to see, but it's kind of just the steps that I gotta take in order to get to the end. In order to get to the end, Fano. It's better here, got a good angle. Trev Red. Yeah, so to those that are watching, NFL Week 1 game is being played in. Yeah, I did see that. Just going to send you for all the hard work. Brother Norths, only if you want to, you know, it's never expected. Wearing shorts on a winter's day like this. Oh, I always do normally. Yeah. I always do. Like I wear shorts majority of the year. Pretty much. Okay. I see. They're not. I was wondering what was going on in here for a moment. I need a mallet. Hold on, chap. Okay. So just gotta take a bit of timber off, guys, because there is just a little lip in the section of the leg where I'm carving. Okay, got it out. Where are we? Same here, wake up at 4:30 for mahi hori, Jacobini, bro. Yeah. I don't know, I just need to mallet. Yeah, like I don't mind wearing shorts through the winter. Like not one bit, eh? Then you kind of forget how warm pants are until you put some on. Trust me, if I could carve in my bathrobe, because that's what I'm normally wearing inside, because it's warm, then I would, but I'd look like silly as. I look silly. Thank you very much, brother Jax and Bray. Cheers, my brays. Any updates on the commissions? Still nothing, my bro. I've still got one more to do after this. Yeah, so to those that are watching on TikTok, if you do want a better angle, because I still haven't downloaded TikTok Studio. Oh, the reason why I haven't yet is because everyone enjoys the camera in the corner of the stream too. Fuck it, who cares, wear the robe. I can't, my bro, I want to keep it clean. It's that fabric that'll get wood chips stuck to it too easy. Just fixing our angles. Yeah, so we are live on Kick, Twitch and YouTube as well, TikTok. If you ever want to jump over to any of the other platforms to see from another angle. But if he's all good on there, it's much appreciated too. Greetings from Poland. Kia ora, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, once I invest in another camera, then I'll download TikTok Studio. Hello, I hope you're having a nice day so far. Cheer, Monorail. Hope you're having a good day too. It's looking great so far. Thanks, Hawk. Hope you're having a nice day. Much love. Hey, much love to you too, my bro. Oh, cheer, Big JD. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, I don't really watch it myself, my bro. Not really a sport I follow, but yeah, I heard they tied up with Iran. I heard they tied up with them. Yeah, not really a sport I follow, my bro. Sorry. Thank you very much, Ma and Kenshi and Binks as well. Yo, yo, ho, ho, ho. Yo, yo, ho, ho. Yo, what up, Thousand Sunset? How you doing, brother? How you doing? So that's what we're up to, okay? Right there. So this is the clean side. We're just doing the other side at the moment. One Piece mentioned, yeah, bro. Love One Piece. That's my favorite, my bro. It's just really impossible to get some One Piece cards. It's impossible. I watched this one scalper. He was trying to glitch out the what's it called? The Pokemon vending machines. And he got trespassed. Apparently it's illegal to do that now. I ain't gonna lie, I think there's a W myself. I also figured out what a lapa is. So a lapa is like a fake fan, eh? Is that what a lapa is? I know what loitering was. Yeah, so a lapa is like a fake fan, eh? Jonah, I already have one, my bro. Been teaching my nephew. So the way I've been teaching him, so you know I taught him the basics, and I told him, you know, in order for me to carry on teaching you, you have to show interest. Oh, what's a lapa? I thought it was a fake fan. Because it was like, I saw an example where they were at a card show, and the guy was going, "Can I get the Piplup set?" And he goes, "Oh yeah, that one, yeah, the first generation." He used that as an example. Is that a bad example? Gotta keep the answer alive. Yeah, my bro. I think, yeah, it's BG3 music. I thought I'd change it up today since we play Skyrim a lot. Change it up a little bit today. But yeah, for that bloody Skyrim RP, I had to download 33 different mods yesterday. Fuck, that was annoying. That shit was annoying, bro. Donation guy, glad someone else recognized it. What's up, brother Bradley? Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Thank you very much. What's that? Is that the letter B? Oh yeah, B for the 12 roses. What's your favorite wood to work with? One that I don't have to pay for. Yeah, one that I don't have to pay for. I'd say that. Live action roleplay, see them a lot on... Oh! Why do they call them lapas, I wonder? need to get a top loader binder as well. Yeah, well, that's the best wood to carve, one you don't have to pay for. That's what I'd say. Well, that's what I do say actually. You want timber you don't have to pay for? Peak. Doesn't matter how ugly or yuck it might be. That's the beauty of it, eh? Making an ugly piece of timber look mean. What's your favorite game? World of Warcraft. Thank you very much, Bickle Films, did I say that right? Thank you very much, and Ishi as well. Kia ora bro, how you doing? And Mixa, thank you very much for the aroha. And also, ooh, so dear, did I say that right? Ishi and Cyrus too. Thank you very much. So we'll just do this a little bit longer, then I'll have a break just so I can warm my hands up. I don't carve in gloves, because I'm not selfed. No, I'm just anti-gloves person, even at the gym. Anti-gloves. Get some calluses, brother. Only gloves my dad has. Golf one. Hey, your dad's on. Your dad's on. I'd get one of those, but they're too expensive, so I just hands. Ringa ringa is my bro. Ringa ringa noi ho. And no joke. Fire away, good sir. It looks great so far, man. Thank you, Brother Hawks. How do you make a sculpture of a man? Put a dick on it. That is my genuine response. You asked and I shall deliver. MJB TV, appreciate you my bro. And Ishi, kia ora. Slap a chode on it, my bro. You're away. That reminds me of some wise words from one of the master carvers at the carving school I used to go to. He said, if you can carve a good Percy, you can carve anything. Thank you very much, brother MJ. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. And yeah, I'm pretty good at carving those, eh? So there's a tradition in the carving school. I don't know if they do it now. They're a bit by the book up there now. So normally when one of the bros was turning 21, he was going to receive one of those kind of carvings, you know? And oh, we got pretty artistical with it many times. One of the bros, yeah, he had one that was shaped like a doorknob. When we say shaped like a doorknob, it went out, curved around, and curved back on the tip. And yeah, he used it for his door. So yeah, we fully designed it, helm and all. You know, and applied it to the door. Thank you very much, JJ, for the carved pies, my bro. There was another one where I was in charge of carving one where I did a realistic looking eggplant on a base, and he added veins and everything, veins and all. But there were some pretty ruthless ones back in the day too. I won't say them because I'll probably get banned. Hope you're staying warm, bro. It's freaking cold, my bro. I had to put 2 hoodies on to stay warm. How you been, Robbie? Must be getting late for you now, eh? Are you watching the World Cup? Not really, my brother. Not really. I'm good. Just finished work. Gonna be out for a bit. Then have a nap. Nice. Nice, my bro. Nice. Have we hit an L and 16? Okay. Alright, let's have a little bit of a break, eh? Cool my hands. I'll warm my hands up. Rox, what's your favourite wood to work with? One that I don't have to pay for. It is the best. Yo, Jackson, kia ora, bro. Got 2 followers? Nice, bro. One thing you want to consider if you're streaming too, pushing your content out, eh? Don't try and do massive hours, you know? The maximum, it depends how long you want to go, so I'd probably just go for like 2 hours and get some clips out of my stream, and then put them on whatever socials it may be. Yeah, you don't need to do like 10-hour streams in order to, you know, hopefully get that one moment. Capture those moments within those hours of the stream you're live for and post them on your socials. Pretty much. So Brooks, hope you're having a good day. Bro, other than it being cold, yeah, it's all good. It's all good. What did you carve? What did the carving say to the cat, my bro? Meow, 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 meow. I don't know. Thank you very much for the GGs, my bro, and Misato as well. New South Wales or Queensland? I usually watch Queensland because when Jonathan Thurston was in there. I haven't watched the last 2 couple state of those because I keep forgetting, and plus I'm more focused on stream anyway. Put my hands in my pockets now. So yeah, what I'm up to right now is just taking a break. Just warming my hands up pretty much. That's all I'm up to. I think this video is almost done, so next. I could go for another BG3 run through, I'm not gonna lie. Whee! Yo, Mr. Deeds! Thank you for the 2 months, my brother.
Spend with our partners and collect.
Oh, sorry, YouTube ad. I don't pay for YouTube Premium, guys. I can wait. I can genuinely wait for the video. Sorry. Okay. Take a long blink, brother. What's that for? Favorite NRL player of all time? Oh, yeah, I'd probably have to say JT. Just growing up watching JT with my koro, you know, it's kind of those fond memories that I have with him. Thank you very much, brother Deeds, for the 2 months, my bro. How you been? How cold is it? Is a little bit chilly in Romania, but not hoodie, beanie. I've actually got 2 hoodies on. Yo, Jugs, I finished all the downloads yesterday, bro. Downloading all the add-ons with the free thing, bro. All the mods, bro. That shit was annoying. That was annoying as hell, bro. But, yeah, I got all the mods, everything, and I'm ready to go. Yeah, bro, Vortex is such a pain. Between downloading 33 mods and punching a cactus, I don't know, the cactus is looking kind of better in my opinion. Thank you very much, username. So yeah, what server are you on, bro? Because there's public, France, another one, whitelist, and then yeah, one under that too. Public one, okay. It was a huge queue for public, bro. Holy shit. It was like 200 plus for me around these times. So you want to start doing some Skyrim RP streams. Hey Haunted, what's up, my boy? Appreciate you, brother. You know, live on Kick today, my bro. Have you checked out the new Prodigy update yet? I checked it out, and so I'm talking about GTA just to make that very clear. AI on TikTok. There's a new update on Prodigy, and one of the new criminal routes is magic mushrooms. And I think I want to do Gandalf RP, the wizard that shares out the mushies. I think that's what I want to do now, other than, you know, racing and all that stuff. I might ask Ravage when he's going to add a wizard hat. So yeah, they've added magic mushrooms into the game, and I think that's what I want to do. Buy an old as shit car, dress up as a wizard, and just go around and... Hello, Frodo, my dear boy. A wizard is never late. Here's a magic mushroom. Be gone with the spells now. Trying to figure it out last night in character. Yeah, I was in last night too, bro. Just having a look around. Found out how to make, once again, this is in game. I found out how to make, what are they called? Cases for pills. They're empty though. Let's hear your orc voice. Yeah, you're putting me on the spot now. He's psyching me out. Are you still against people subscribing to you? Not anymore, brother. Not anymore. You're putting me on the spot now, Jugs. But yes, I will definitely be in Skyrim RP, my bro. I haven't checked out the lore of the server yet. So I'm wondering if my character can still think he's an orc from Warhammer that got, you know, teleported through the warp and ended up in Skyrim. But yeah, the idea is to, if you don't get into Warhammer, orcs actually get their powers from colours, like actual colours. I can send you, oh yes please my bro, that'll be fun. I did some Skyrim RP, it was fun for a bit, and I realised the map is smaller than I thought. True! I understand, you'd probably have to walk everywhere, eh? Wow, classic. Hope you're having a mean day. Cheer West, hope you're having a good day too, my bro. Shout out to everyone watching on TikTok as well. Thank you very much, Sebastian, for the heart. Kia ora, my bro. They believe in colours. Yeah, so what powers does the yellow orcs have? Are the red ones like the strong gas ones, eh? And there's orcs that are purple. They're the sneaky ones. But no one's ever seen a purple orc before. Because they're stealthy. Red is fast. Oh, that's it. See, I knew I had some Warhammer Lore Masters in the chat. Yeah, so that's the idea I had for Skyrim RP. Like my orc character got transferred through the warp and ended up in Skyrim. So all I was planning to do was be the only orc that may be a rogue. And if I see a group of people like huddled together, I was just gonna crouch and sneak through them and pretend they couldn't see me. I am the sneakiest orc ever. I was gonna call myself Zuckington. The other suggestions I had was Peptidicus, Proteinicus, or Hyroxius. Peptidicus sounds like the... Yeah, Peptidicus Reditritide. We have an orc called Zagmabos. Fucking hell. Yeah. Something like that. Would be something like meme-worthy anyway. Or I could name my character Mong, so M-O-N-G, last name Key. Monkey. I don't know. Still early days. Still early days. It's yeah. So that's kind of something that I want to do in Prodigy, is do a little bit of wizardry. But I think I want to get a so there's this card, it's like a mini. It's called a Weevil. I was thinking of getting one of those. My name is Type Shitus. Type shit. That's a cool name. Type Shitus. Dear sir. People thought it was funny on Skyrim, bro. That's a W name right there, my bro. That's a W name. Thank you very much, Frozen, for the rose. Appreciate you. And hello to you as well. Kia ora. Kia ora, kia ora. Alright, my hands are a bit warmer now, so we can carry on again, eh? Type Shitus. That's a cool name. Yeah, so we'll run some Skyrim RP soon. So yeah, I need to I want to get a Weevil and put it in the hippie livery colours on it and run that. Should be funny. Should be funny. Yeah, once again, TikTok, if you're not if you don't want to watch the stream from that angle, we are live on other platforms too. It's totally up to you at the end of the day. Did I do it? Okay, I done it. You watch anime, my bro? The only one I watch is One Piece, pretty much. But that's just when the cool parts are on these days, because I mainly read it now. I did dabble a little bit in Shangri-La Frontier. What else did I watch? And I started Fire Force too. Yeah, I started Fire Force as well. Where are you from? I am from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I live in Rotorua. It smells like rotten eggs from all the sulphur. Shangri-La is good. Yeah, I like it because it's very like MMO-esque kind of vibe. Yeah, I like it. My favourite part was the aura farming bunny rabbit leader when he's forging and singing at the same time. But he's pretty aura farming, eh? He's pretty good. And he's like the king or something. Where he's like forging and then he starts sparking up a song. I'm like, oh, okay. I like this guy. He's a craftsman. Yo, Jugs, I don't know if you're still here. Personal question. Have you seen JJK? No. Jugs, if you're still here, let me know. I've got a question for you. Much love from the Bay Area. Check my brain. Much love to you. Did you know Did you know, Sky? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. I am Optimus Prime. I am coming. Say what? Yeah, I want to hopefully jump back into Prodigy soon and take the K truck out for a bit of a ride on the races. So my character got him a vehicle. Thank you, Alex, for the roses, my bro. Appreciate you, brother. Hey, brother, I love what you do. Appreciate you for watching, though, bro. Appreciate you for watching. Thank you, my bro, while I freeze my loins off. Nah, so I've got this board. I've got this little board above my PC where I stream. You know, it's got a photo of the kids. It's got a photo of the kids. You know, your typical Homer kind of esque without all the words. And I've got a list of non-negotiables, and one of them is, you know, to get a stream in regardless of the weather. A carving stream most of all. I think Jugs is gone. Okay, that's all good. This needs a sharpen soon. This guy is super chill majority of the time. Yeah, bro. Yeah. So for me personally, I'm not really out here trying to be, you know, the loudest and the one with the most, you know, subscribers and numbers in the world. I'm kind of just, you know, living my life at my own pace. As I always do. That's just kind of how I am, my bro. John Bolger, thank you very much for the love, my brother. Type shitus, I like that. Okay. Thank you, John, again. Do you sell your work? I do, brother. However, this one in particular is not for sale because it's already going to someone, my bro. But I do have some work that I am thinking of selling. I'm pretty cabbage with promoting it, eh? I should probably be, you know, telling everyone I'm gonna be selling some pieces soon that could, you know, go towards saving for a house, pretty much. Yes, but it's genuinely something I never really think of majority of the time. Keep doing what you're doing, stay blessed. Thank you very much, Hidden Duran. Sure, my bro. What's up, Burnsy? Luke Bates, kia ora. You're probably the best human on this app. I just try and be the best version of me, brother. That's what I want everyone else to do too, you know? Just beat the person you were yesterday. Try and be better than that version of yourself. And that's all it is. That's all it is. Morning, brother Jack. How are you, bro? Still doing this craft after hell of years? Jerry, brother user. Yeah, it's been yeah. So I've been doing Whakairo for about 22, 23 years. On stream, it's been six years so far, and a crazy 6 years it has been too. A crazy 6 years. I just gotta message someone on Discord real quick. What's for breakfast? I haven't had breakfast. I had an apple and a coffee. We ran out of eggs, so I gotta go and get some more. Oh, I can't spell. Holy shit. Sorry, just messaging someone. You check out the new Warlock subclass yet? What's this for? Subclass? What game? Because I know there's Warlocks in WoW. Destiny. Kinda sad what's happening with Destiny. Do you have any tips so that I don't regret my first tattoo? Make sure you like the tattooer's work. Don't just get it without looking at his stuff. That'd probably be the one thing you'd want to do. In my opinion. There's still a lip of timber there. Where do I get inspiration for your tattoo? What do you like? That's normally like where I'd start. Like for example, if I want to get another tattoo, I'd look at the things I'd like, you know, what's something I like that I want tattooed on my body. There's this one tattooist I saw on Instagram. He does like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a Japanese style version of Pokemon. He done a mean ass Abra one. It was like an Abra that had like three katana blades around it, and it looks sick. And then they done a sumo style Snorlax. I look pretty mean. It looked pretty cool. Yo, what up, Nikachu? Cheer, my bro. Curious where you source your wood from. All over the place. From all over the place. Is usually like I source my timber. Like for example, I finished a piece recently, and the bro asked, "What do you want for payment?" And I said, "Oh, just a koha, like you know, whatever amount of money." and some timber. So I pretty much done it like that. Or I can just go back to my hometown. Oh, that's a rubbish. Okay, put that over there. Go back to my hometown and get some, bro. It kind of depends. Like, there's a wood recycling centre here too. I go there quite a bit. But I just make sure, hey, because they normally go to all the old heritage sites around the city, and you know, if they can't have them anymore, then you know, they'll bust them down. But I normally ask which parts, you know, from those heritage sites weren't in asbestos, because you know they used it a lot back then. Eh? Brad Raid, thank you very much, and RWA1WO, kia ora, my bro. So those are the things I kind of think about, eh? Because a lot of heritage buildings used asbestos quite a bit back in the day. Because I usually ask, what sections of the building was this? Like if it was the roof, I'll say, oh no, I'll stay away from that bit. Because that shit will fuck you up in the long run. Don't want any of that in ya. Are there guidelines for those heritage sites that require certain wood? I'm assuming you don't get stuff that's not from NZ. So majority of the you know, the heritage sites around the country are all done from native, eh? Because you know, when they started, you know, building their buildings as they do, they cut down a lot of the local trees, and all heritage sites are made out of native timber. Pretty much. Boom. How you been, Nicotine? What you been doing lately? You still jamming the server? You tried the new update at all? Oh, man. It's getting cold now. Unrelated, but as a Kiwi, do you know why your rugby team is called the All Blacks and the football team is called the All Whites? Can't be the jersey, right? It is the jersey. Just like the hockey team, the Black Sticks, what colour are their hockey sticks? You wouldn't believe it, they're black. The White Ferns, you wouldn't believe it, but their shirts are white and the fern is white at times too. Now, I'll be honest, I don't know, but I'm assuming that's what it is. I hope that was convincing. Yo, Pongy, thank you very much for the night star and the hand heart. Appreciate you. Kia ora, kia ora. What's up, brother Thomas? Oh, Tom, how are you, my brother? Just trying to figure out how to get rid of these wood tags without tearing anything. In a word. Here we go. Your fan club has completed the second stage of the Heart Me Challenge. Club power has been unlocked for all fans to send and celebrate. What is that? Is this like TikTok stuff? What's up, James? You're from Kentucky, but I live in Kentucky, but from Michigan. True. Bro, I swear, bro, the AI mod on Kick is a bit garbagey. Go. All the little things right now, man. All the little things. Make a butt plug. You wish you got 2 of them already. If you're flexible enough, use your big toe. Lie on your stomach. The basketball team is tall. Oh, the Tall Blacks? Yeah, yeah. You got some crack up names, eh? Some crack up names. Also, guys, a unnecessary flex, but I'm just gonna say it anyway. My daughter got player of the game this year, or this week this year. Holy! Thank you, Aiden, for the 40 roses and the brother above him with the 1. How come you got no name, bro, above him? But how did these cool people have no names for their TikToks? Thank you, Dungeons and Dumbbells. That is a fucking cool name. Thank you for the flame hearts, my bro. And also, Luna Tuna for the 100 biddies. Kia ora, Luna Tuna. You know what sounds nice right about now? Some rice with some tuna with QP. Oh my gosh. Lord! I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Sorry, I'm really focusing on the body right now too, guys, because I really want to try and get it as clean as possible, and then we can just do the head, and then we won't need to worry about it anymore. Thank you very much, Rod, for the rose. Thank you, brother Rod. Team America, fuck yeah. Come today to save the motherfucking day, yeah. America, fuck yeah. Let my buddy suck on my balls, America. Who remembers that movie? That shit was fucking funny, man. I recognize this guy from somewhere. I was in the scene in Return of the King in Minas Tirith. I was the 7th person that King Theoden hit with the spear, okay? When he was running the line, ting, 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 I was the 7th one. Hey brother, I'm Brox, I'm the wood carver, the sub guy. I saw that Lord of the Rings is back on Netflix, and I believe it is time for another marathon. It is time to watch The Hobbits first, and then Lord of the Rings in one day. I don't have the editor's uncut version. Sorry to the diehards out there. Thank you. We live in society. Count up. Yeah, sorry I don't have the uncut version. Yo, Nicatude, are you still around? I've got a question. You watch Pirates of the Caribbean? Davy Jones is my favorite. Did you watch the Prime show? I still haven't. I need to watch that. That's before The Hobbit as well, eh? Maybe I should start on the show. That makes a lot of sense. Are these commissions? Yeah, they are. Thank you, Brother Jay. Because, Durin's on there, eh? The dwarf? Yeah, I'm determined to get all this body out of the way so we don't need to worry about it anymore. Can you back $5? Holy shit, that English. What? I'd love to start a show with you. We can call it Solid Energy. But I barely have the time to do extra stuff for myself these days, my bro. I mean, what? I mean, I don't know where this conversation's going. The Eminem. Yeah, Davy Jones is probably my favorite character in the whole Pirates of the Caribbean thing. So, brother Mike, tēnā koe e hoa. More so just the acting itself, eh, bro? He did so good as Davy Jones. Feel free to go ashore. The minute next time we make port. He's cool, bro. What's his name? What's the actor's name again? I know him off Underworld too. But it's like the little 1%ers he put into Davy Jones as well that I absolutely loved about the role. Thank you, Weasley. Weasley! Sorry, brother. Thought I'd say your name right. Do you watch UFC? Now and again. I'm going for Max Holloway as usual. I wanted Pereira to win. But yeah, unfortunately he didn't. Oh well, you know, it happens. He knew what he was up to. Oi! Liquid Gengar. Thank you very much for the raid, my friend. Hope you had a wonderful stream, sir. What did you get up to on your stream today? Is that wood considered a softwood? This is pine, like normal Andy pine. It's soft as. It's soft as, my bro. The funny guy. What's up, brother? That's his name, Dongihi. Yeah, that's him, bro. He was so great in playing the role as Davy Jones. Gengar Raid, welcome through, brother. Are you playing Destiny? Yeah, I heard it's fired up again. Their last update, eh? And then they're kind of done. Alex said he was sitting in the back of the head. Oh, true. Yeah, I don't really watch much of the fights, but when I see who's up, I just, you know, I just hope, you know, the person I choose wins. But yeah, going Max Holloway as usual, like he's the first UFC person to support me, and he's Polynesian as well, so yeah, I'm going to support Max 100%. 100% to, if you didn't know. Thank you very much, Maraya. and Weasley for the gifties, and Jason as well, and the funny guy too, and Mariah again. Tēnā koe, Mariah. White House card was good. That's crazy, eh? They had a bloody thing. Hate to raid and run. No, you're fine. Go and eat your dinner. I fully understand, Ginga. Much appreciated, my brother, and you have a good feed, eh? Cheers, my bro. Okay, so yeah, I'm just trying to make sure we absolutely put as much time into the body and everything before we eventually move on. Did you find any homes near you in Rotorua? Nah, no. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard, especially when me and my wife are trying to find something, because this is potentially a house we're gonna live in until our old ages, So we really want to make sure we get something that will cater to us and our family in the long run. So yeah, I mean, looking at the stuff we need to, like if I want to get a double garage, you're already looking at a higher price, and a 3 bedrooms and a sleep out, or just a 4 bedroom as a whole, so I can have a streaming room as well. I win the lottery, I'll buy one. No, you don't need to do that. So that's been the hard thing for us, is trying to navigate that, and also at the same time I don't want to have neighbours, not too much, I kind of want us to get away from the town, from the town and the neighbourhoods kind of thing, which is another hard thing in itself, because that's the price is going to go even higher. Aren't you that one? Hey, what's up, employees? Is that what I should say? Is that what I should be saying for your name? Let me know. So that's in there. So yeah, it's still a bit of work that can be done in here. Probably see all the rip marks and everything. So we're just trying to get rid of all those. So this is what we're cleaning up. So we're cleaning this side up, so it can look as clean as this side. Thank you, Zach and Gum. Cheers, my bros. And we still have to work on the head too. Thanks, brother Ethan. All the way in the UK. If you're in the UK, don't stay up too late, eh? I know it's getting late over there. Cheers, my brothers. Yeah, I know it's turning into a silly o'clock over there, so just so you know, I care about you guys' health. Have a sleep. No way I caught you alive. What's up, brother Kivs? How are you, my brother? What's for lunch? Probably chicken breast and rice. Or me and my wife have to go, to the laundromat and do our washing. Never caught a carving stream. This is awesome. Keep it up, bro. Much appreciated. Cheers, brother Bry. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, so this is kind of what we're doing right now. This hei tiki here is what we call it. So a hei tiki is not normally this size, okay? It's normally a lot smaller. And we wear them as our taonga or pendant, basically. And it can represent protection. We named them after our ancestors too. Thank you, Akal and Doctor. Appreciate yous. And also it can represent fertility as well, so like for our wahine or our ladies. So the hei tiki form actually comes from that of a newborn child. Pretty much, that's where we get the form from. And this is the wrong way, I need to turn it around. What you got going on there? Just wood carving, my bro. Thank you, brother Luke. We've been at this for a wee while. Yeah, we've been at it for a little while. Just push cleaning pretty much is all we're doing. Push cleaning. Hello from Greenland. Hello, good sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, all good, Magic. Thank you for showing up and tuning in. I should be thanking you, my bro. Not you thanking me. Just getting a natural roll going on. Go. Yo, Brox, yo, Brox, Chitch, hope you doing good, brother. Just clocked into work. Haven't copped the stream in ages. Cheer, Billy. Cheer, my bro. Hope work has been good there, my brother. Good to see you again. Hope you're looking after yourself as well. Staying healthy and sleeping good. Good to see you again, my brother, and welcome back. Thank you very much, Tillman, for the rose. Yo, from Ireland. Hey, cheer, brother Paddy. Have a good day, my bro. You play any games? Yes, I do. So, as I mentioned, I have been, a gamer since Sonic 1, pretty much. Sonic 1 was one of my favorite games growing up. And then eventually, playing other titles throughout my life. The games that I mainly play these days is so I've been enjoying GTA RP quite a bit. I also play World of Warcraft, Overwatch as well. A lot of the Blizzard titles I definitely enjoy. How old is Unc? I'm 34. 34. What tools do I need to start wood carving? Yo, Nick, thank you for the galaxy, my bro. And Bob for the popular. Thank you very much, brother Nick. Appreciate you, my bro. So, what tools do you need to start wood carving? All you'd really need is some chisels. Just some chisels, my bro. When I was young, I actually built my own workbench out of wood pellets. I wish I still had it. But when I moved, my grandmother used it as firewood. I'm like, bro, come on. Do you recommend wood carving? If it's something you want to try, give it a go. Nuka, long time no see, my bro. Yeah, I moved out of home at 16. I come back the following week to come and pick my stuff up. I go, Nan, where's my workbench? Oh, you left, so I used it as firewood. I was like, bro. Really? Say, oh well. At least I was warm. Yeah. I guess so. Oh, sorry, boy. Like, bro. Really? Yeah, so she did that too. Thank you very much for the roses as well, my brother, and Jaden as well. Thank you for the aroha. Yeah, bro, straight lit that thing on fire. Hi from Malaysia. Kia ora, kia ora. Thank you very much, funny face emoji for the rose too. What are you making there, my favorite online friendly stranger? So we are making something called a hate tiki. So I've got a completed one here. And this is it here. So this is a Heitiki. So this is one I finished last year. So we're doing one made out of pine right now. On there. And it's also double-sided too. Do you play rugby? Not in a long time, my bro. Whakairo, thank you very much for saying hello. Woody, thank you for the finger heart. And Jesse J. Montez. Kia ora kōrua. Who's gonna win the World Cup? I don't know. I'm just waiting for Faker to start playing in his MSI. When's MSI? What's the purpose or meaning? So with this one that we're doing, it is purely just a decorative piece. Because normally with Heitiki, we name them after our ancestors as well. And well, within Whakairo, we don't really sell our ancestors, eh? It's not really something you want to do. So yeah, this one's just purely a decorative piece for the bro's house. Also, I'll most likely be streaming Star Fox as well, guys. The biggest G on TikTok. Hey, chill my brother Scott. Thank you, Kiko, for the TikToks. Where are we? Amazing. Thank you, brother. Love the craftsmanship. Thank you very much, good sir. C. Moser, what's up, brother? Thank you very much to John for the rose. So yeah, my nan legit lit my bloody bench on fire. Also, thank you to those on Twitch that are dropping their primes on the channel as well. Appreciate you guys. As we edge closer to the goalio for the day. Yeah, so this body now has a nice roll to it from the angle I can see it from, which is good. I think tomorrow we'll focus more on the face tomorrow, okay? That'll be our goal. Yeah, what up, Kai? Is this the same piece from yesterday? Yeah. So what we're going to be doing tomorrow is working on the face. We'll put our focus there tomorrow as well. Thank you very much, Levi. Kia ora, my bro. Gonna go and check if our washing's all done too. One moment. Big washing day today, guys. You can get all the washing done since it's been raining. This is the guy. Hello, Salty. How are you? So I think tomorrow as well. I'll need to get a rag as well because the voice is kind of staining the timber as well, just from all the friction. So we need to do something there. Damn. It's gonna be a hard angle to work. It's gonna be a real hard angle to work. How are you, Salty? I'm doing good, my friend. I'm doing good. How have you been? Thank you, Time to Shine, and Ewan as well. And Time to Shine again. Kia ora. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Fuck, the cold's kind of getting to me now. But respect to all the skinny people that go through winter all their lives. What's the odds you give us a kia ora? Kia ora for the fellowship? The fellowship. Who's that? You look like a good singer? Nah. I'm not. Well, I've tried. As hard as I can. There's one thing. Then just start singing mean. Nah, I'm not a good singer. Oh, man. Now you gotta sing. Ai, tino makariri tēnei rangi. This winter's a bit different for me because I'm a whole lot skinnier than last year, you know. Not much insulation around the body anymore. So I'm wearing 2 hoodies. Got a huge barbecue going on, you're invited. Oh, bro, that sounds on, oos. That sounds on. Konga'is. I've been wanting some palusami for a while now. Haven't had it since last year. So one of my boys, shout out to my boy, he streams on Kick these days. My boy Solid Kifs. So I went to PAX last year in Australia and he made some palusami and some raw fish. But it was nice. It was nice. It keeps going. It's one of my favourite, the palusami. Follow you because you're a good person. Hope you're doing well, IRL. Jerry Clark, yeah, all is going well, my bro. Just been, living as we all are. Focusing a lot more on my health, my bro, and running. Running is something else I've really been enjoying lately. And just being a present father, my bro. That's one of my main things. I try and be the most for the kids' things, no matter what they may be. We were playing. We were having a tea party last night, and I was a dinosaur. So yeah, that was nice. Yeah. That was a nice, different vibe. But yeah, I absolutely love being a dad, my bro. I absolutely love being a dad because, as hard as it is, one of the most amazing things about it is just seeing a miniature version of yourself experience the world, my bro. Experience the world. And one of the greatest things is seeing them grow. One of the hardest things I will say, you know, is seeing them grow up again as well. Because, yeah, one day, you know, although our house is loud with, you know, voices, you know, one day it's gonna be quiet when they grow up. So I'm trying to, you know, appreciate those moments as they get older through the years. Because, you know, they're going to look back one day and they're at their point in their lives where they don't want to be, you know, around us. They want to go out and live their own lives. And, yeah, I'm probably going to be sad that day. So I'm trying to live it up as much as I can. Yeah, try and live it up as much as I can with them, my bro. Piece of work on my wish list. Kia ora, my bro. YGM Ace, kia ora. Sorry, our sound system has a flat battery now. Yeah, I need to go to the gym, bro. Jump on the Stairmaster. I need to sweat as much as I can because I can feel the flu coming on. I need to get some sleep. Have a good sleep, my bro. Yeah, don't stay up at silly o'clock just to watch me. There's always going to be other streams. I'd rather you have a bloody good rest. Okay? Much love, my brother. Yeah. Sorry about that, Hawk. Yeah, get some rest. Wait, is our bin emptied? Has the rubbish man even been around? Let me check. Rubbish man hasn't turned up yet, but we got something in the mail. It says win $1,000 house and wash and landscaping package. I'll be honest, I would not want to win this. Why? Because I'm renting and it's not even our house. Yeah, that makes sense, eh? Oh, I wouldn't want to win this package unless I owned a house. Seems pretty valid to me. Thank you for the dinosaur, my bro. I'm throwing this in the rubbish. When it Ain't no way I wanna win a package that's not even for a house I don't own. Doing the landlord a favour. Hell nah. I'm good. Making some bacon and eggs. Wow, that sounds yum. Oh, speak of the devil, and he shall appear. The rubbish man. Bro's times are inconsistent as shit, man. What's the time? So he's showing up at 11:20 a.m. Last week he showed up at 6:30 a.m. So yeah, bro is broing a bit too much there. Hey bro, choose a time, bro. What are you working on? We're working on this, my friend. I will show you. So this is it here. This hate tiki. So that's what we're working on. So this is the clean side that we've done. Thank you, Zake. Thank you, my bro. So that's the clean side there, and we are doing the other side. We're cleaning it up. making it look zesty like the other side. Let me show the Twitch chat. Twitch kicking YouTube, clean side. Dirty side. That's what we're up to right now. Thank you, John and James. Kia ora, kia ora. Appreciate you guys. Man, you know what I could go for right now? A nice soup or a stew. Probably a stew. Oh, brother. Thank you very much for the rose, John. Fuck, my body is seizing up, eh? Because I'm getting cold. Hang on, guys. My coat is still in the bloody washing machine. How we doing, Twitchies? All good? Gone all quiet. Thank you, James. Chillin', brother. Okay, just want to make sure. Would you rather have oven mitts for arms or cucumbers for legs? Oven mitts for arms or cucumbers for legs? Depends. Are they frozen? I'd be cool to have the reputation to know that, you know, I knock someone out with cucumber feet. Bam! Thank you for the roses, guys. Zandre and Knight for the cats. That'll be a reputation to have. I knock someone out with cucumber legs. Yeah, we'll focus on the head tomorrow. I could do it today, but yeah, I'd rather just put all our focus on the head tomorrow, so we can solely just focus on one thing. And then once it's all clean, something else we got to start focusing on is getting everything beveled. That'll be the next. What the hell is my wife doing with the baby? One moment. You know, it kind of makes more sense to like walk around it, not through the house. My wife's just doing some last minute bin runs. What's the Twitch? Brox, BRXH underscore. It is also in my bio. Also in my bio, my bro. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to hold on, guys, with the stream. I'm trying to hold on. I feel like I'm not being entertaining because I'm cold. Because I'm very cold. What's up, Nakura? Okay. How's the voice acting? Good. I've just got 2 more lines to do and then I send them off Send them off so they can work on them. I've just been trying to do them in a place where my voice sounds clear, especially with the mic as well. I'm pretty keen to see who the bro's voice acting in the game. You have no idea how relaxing your streams are? That's good. That's good. I don't mind if it's relaxing for you guys. Oh yeah, yeah. Nah, I'm not watching the World Cup at all, my bro. It's not really it's not really a sport that I watch, you know, religiously as some others. Me personally, it's not for me. It's not for me. But hey, you know, to those that do enjoy it, man. Enjoy it too. Okay, I know I normally... Ah, fuck, stay on, bro. Do your 3 hours. Come on, bro. Come on, come on, come on. Stay in it. Nakura, thank you for the 5 months. Stay in it, Brooks. Come on. Stay in it, brother. Stay in it. We'll just do some of the face for now anyway. Jeez. How rough is this? Oh, are we going this way? No shot, we're going this way. Hold up, just reading the grain. Oh, nah, we're good, we're good. Okay, this needs a touch up. 30 minutes. Jace. Yeah, getting cold, my bro, getting cold. Different vibe this time of year for me because I've lost so much weight. Yeah, lost so much weight this time around, my bro, so I'm trying to adjust as best as I can. As best as I can, my bro. Gym hike stream when? Bro, you need Starlink to do those, my bro. I do gym streams now and again. But I can't get over the being that guy with a camera in the gym, eh? It's more so me, really. Yeah, that's always the part that I struggle with is like having a camera in the gym, you know?